Now you can style your Google Sheet products easily with FlexSync, and we'll show you exactly how to do it. First, from your Shopify dashboard, click on Apps, then open FlexSync. Inside the app, click on View Google Sheets. This will open up your full Shopify inventory directly inside a Google Sheet. Once the sheet has loaded, you'll notice a new menu at the top called FlexSync. Click on it, then go to Settings. Here, you'll find a bunch of styling options made just for your Google Sheet. If your sheet looks a bit messy or the styles seem off, don't worry. You can fix everything in just one click. Simply go to FlexSync Settings and select Reapply Styles. This will reset the styles to their default, clean layout. Want to add drop-downs to your sheet for specific product attributes? That's easy too. Just head back to the same settings and click on Add Dropdown. Instantly, the drop-downs will be applied to the relevant columns. You can also adjust how product images look. If they seem too small or hard to see, click on Resize Image columns from the settings. The image cells will be resized automatically for better visibility. And lastly, if you want your inventory column to stand out from the rest, go to the same settings and click on Style Inventory Quantity column. The column will be highlighted and stylized, so it's easier to track your stock at a glance. That's it. With just a few clicks, your Google Sheet will look more organized, easier to read, and way more functional. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials just like this.